welcome to my channel here. It's cold, as you can see, it's winter. Hopefully you're doing well, and thank you for visiting. If you are new, smash that button below, subscribe, and if you are not new, continue supporting us. Make sure that you leave a comment if you want, but be kind when you do that on this video. Today we're gonna go do some fun activity, so join our journey and you're gonna find out at the end of the video what activity we're gonna do today. It's gonna be fun, I promise. I know you could be anywhere in the world, but you're here with us. I appreciate that. So enjoy the ride, join us, and don't forget to subscribe. All right, take it easy. Peace out. so people can go and put flowers to their loved ones who died. See, flowers, and the maintenance people are in there in a pickup truck cleaning and stuff. Just because it's winter, it doesn't mean people don't go there and say a prayer and cry and remember their loved one who died. Is over there to the left by this light. You're gonna, that big field, open field over there, that's where you're gonna go. Should be at the top of the hill there, and I see a lot of people.
Kids! Yes! 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 Yay! 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 Yay!
Seems like everybody is over there.
I'm not wearing a mask. Daddy, you are the best dad ever. And I'm not just saying that, I mean it. Oh! 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 Oh!
Okay, people, this is where we're coming.
Oh!
It's called sledding.
Dude, this is gonna be awesome.
It's pretty excited about it too. It's called Parkview Center. Parkview Center School, right there. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining this journey here. And
Love you. Peace out.
we love you. Peace out.